Hi everyone, in this video we are going to go over how to edit the header and footer in Excel on a Mac. We will start by inserting the current date as a right aligned header, and then we are going to insert a footer in the center cell that says internal use only. So let's start by going to our View tab. We will go to our page layout. Best practice is to scroll all the way up and all the way to the left. You'll notice if you hover over Add Header, there are three cells, a left, a center, and a right. Let's click into our right cell. We'll go to Header and Footer, and these are our elements. Let's choose current date. A little code will populate. If you click into blank space, you'll see today's date. And then if you open this workbook tomorrow, the next day, it'll update accordingly to whatever day it is. Scroll down a little bit where it says add footer. Let's go into the center cell and we can type internal use only. Go ahead and click off. Let's go back to our view, normal view. And now just to show the changes that we did, I'm going to click Command P. And on our print preview, we could see our date and internal use only as well.